Good morning, children. Today we will start chapter 6 Fraction. In this chapter, we understand the concept of whole and concept of fraction and the how to write a fraction. First, I will explain you whole. For example, here one whole cookies, one whole cake, one whole pizza, one whole chocolate. A full object is a whole object. When we make a part, if for a one whole we make part 2. Here 2 part means half part. We write as a half 1 upon 2. It means one whole we make 2 parts equally. 2 halves make a whole. If we make a 3 parts, 3 part means 1/3. For a 1, we have make 3 parts. We write as 1 upon 3. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. 3 parts. 3/3 make a whole. If 3 parts are there, then we need a 3 parts. Make a whole. Same way, 4 parts. 4 parts. For a 4 parts, we make a 4 equal part. We write as 1 upon 4. 1/4, 1/4. How many 4? 4/4 make a whole. This way, clear. For a whole, we make a part, then it will be whole part. This exercise 6.1 you can do in your book. Let's continue writing a fraction. For writing a fraction, we write numerator and denominator. Numerator is part being referred and denominator part in all. The total part. Now look here, in this total part, how many total part of a chocolate? 10 parts. And 2 parts is eaten. So we have written 2 upon 10. Same here, if 6 part eaten, then we write total whole part is 10 and 6 eaten, 6 upon 10. Now how we can find out the fraction? From a fraction, here 4 burgers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 burgers. We have to divide in 2 parts. In 1 part means how many burger? 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 burger. In 1 part, 2 burger. This way we can write the fraction. Now let's continue another thing in a fraction. If total things are given and you have to find out in a fraction. Here 1/3 of 12. Here ice cream cones are there. You have to divide into a 3 groups. Means 1 upon 3 of 12 cones are given. Then 12 is a whole number. With the denominator 3, we divide the whole number. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 1/3 part of 12 is 4. Here is 1/4 part. For a apple is given 1/4. You have to make 4 groups, means 1/4. 1/4 of 12, then 12 you have to divide it by 4 is equal to 3. It means 1/4 of 12 means in 4 groups 3 apples. Now first here is given how to find out the question word problem. Jerry bought 12 balloons for his birthday party. 1/3 of the balloon burst. 1/3 of 12 means we write 1/3 of 12. Of in place of we multiply sign and 12. First we divided 12 divided by 3. Denominator is a 3. Divided by 3 is equal to 4 balloons are burst. This way you complete your this 6.2 exercise 6. And MCQ and work it out.